Hello, we're here with Daryl Bancroft from Alpha LED Lighting, and we are here at one of the lights that he's installed recently on the Gold Coast. Tell us about the Alpha LED lights, please, Daryl.
Certainly, Marcus. This is our Slim 265, which is a multi-RGB pool light. It's kind of one of those projects that we were told would never be done, so we actually, went out and manufactured it, and I've made it. It's about 35 millimeters shallower than any other pool light that's out there on the market. So it basically means that no cleaners can get caught on it, and you can't physically stand on it. There's no ledge to get on it. It's actually bracketless, so it clamps to the wall tighter than any other type of pool light. So that's a little bit about what we do and how we do it.